Hi everyone, it's Donna here. I'm just coming on with a quick video to show you what I've been working on this week. I'm sure this has happened to a lot of you. You're watching a YouTube video and you see something that they're doing, either a tutorial or a craft with me, and it looks really interesting, like I gotta try that. I recently ran across a channel that I had never seen before. The channel is Annelis Journaling, and she's in Sweden, and I'm going to put a link to her channel down below in the description box. She does awesome vintage, very antique looking journals, and she did a tutorial. It started with a tutorial on doing watercolor on old paper, and the paper that I've used for these is this book that I purchased recently. It's from 1701, and it's French, and it has this wonderful, I think this is rag paper. I love the feel of it. It's nice sturdy paper. So I've started taking it apart, obviously, and I was using these for her tutorial. And I'll put a link to this specific tutorial. It started with these. I did the kind of faux watercolor. I used this rubber stamp and then watercolored it in. And then these are there's either lace on top, textiles on top, or tucked between the two layers of paper. And the back layer is just this packaging material that I get in my dog's Chewy box whenever she gets a box with her foods and stuff. And then just kind of collaged behind it with, I've started trying to do these, and a lot of people are doing these, just watercolor on book page. So it started with these, and then I kind of got addicted, and I kept going, and I kept making more and more. I have a bird book that has thousands of bird images in it that I go to and fussy cut. And I use some of the Tim Holtz, and here's some of the watercolor book page behind it. And just some stamps, little snippets of lace peeking out between the two layers. I really like that one. There's another one. I love the way she does the vintage look. Everything's kind of torn and tattered, and I really love that look. And then I started going through my stash and pulling out some different images that I have. And I just started using those on them. And these can be used, she used these as a pocket on a page, like you will glue three sides down and you've got a pocket, or they can be used as just a journaling card as well. And what I've been doing, I've been working on some journal kits, and I've put some of them on the cover of the journal. These are just the covers I have. This is as far as I've gotten so far, but I used some grunged up Quaker lace for the covers, and I just use these as the focal point on the covers. So that's what I've been working on this week. I've been obsessed with making these, and I'm probably going to make some more, because Lord knows I have lots of book pages to use, and I have some more coming. I bought on eBay some German school books from the late 1800s, so I can't wait to get those next week. But that's what I've been working on this week. I'll put a link down below to Annelis' channel. She does awesome work. I hope you go check her out. And that's it for now. Tomorrow I will have all vintage linen. So stay tuned tomorrow, Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, all vintage linens. And that's it for today. Bye for now.